Hi there. So my husband is not home at the moment, so I decided I was gonna play a little bit with my new Sun Pro lamp. So what I've done is I've got 3 coats of black canvas finger paints on here. Now I'm just gonna put, I'm just playing at the moment. I'm kind of trying to figure out what to do for New Year's now, so I'm just kind of playing and trying to get some ideas. So I'm just gonna put some sparkle, very faint. Put that in the lamp. This one is finger paints and it's called Geodescent Dome We Roam, and I actually think that's what I did. I mixed up when I moved my nail room into the new room. I accidentally all my little swatch rings came off my polishes, so I mixed up a few. I actually meant to do this one, Prism Schism, because it's a little more, but yeah, whatever. I'm just playing at the moment, so it's all good. So I'm just gonna pause for the moment. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. So I've top coated it, and now I'm just gonna take off a little tacky layer off there. So just wipe that off. Now what I'm gonna do, I have a bunch of these foils, so I was kind of thinking about doing some sort of firework kind of design. So I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but I figured I would experiment. So I've got all these different pretty colors. So I'm thinking the green, the yellow, the silver, so, or the gold, the red. I don't even know my colors anymore. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut scissors suck, apparently. Let's try these ones. Just gonna cut some pieces off so I have something to work with. I think I gotta get some new scissors, and maybe this silver. Well, what do I have? I have red and gold. And we'll do this silver. And do this purple. I don't want to do too many colors. I'm having technical issues with scissors. Okay, there we go. Get them all out of the way. So now, this is some foil glue. I just got it with one of my kits. You can buy it off of eBay, I'm sure. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just dipping my toothpick in, and I'm just kind of doing lines like little fireworks. Oh, It's kind of thick. That's okay. I don't know how well this will work, but I don't know why I have a piece of globby. But it's always fun to try. Okay, so I think that looks kind of cool. So we will wait for this to dry, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back. So if you notice, maybe what I'll do is get you in a little more. Now, when you put the nail foil glue on the nail, it actually is a milky color, and then as it dries, it goes clear. So the thicker that you put it on, like there's a couple spots right here that I put on a little thicker, so it'll take a little longer to dry, but that's okay because I will work around it. So now what I do is my little pieces, I will kind of go around the edges, and basically what I'm doing is I'm just slightly touching it to where it's sticky, and then you lift it up. Don't want to put too much on because I want to kind of put all the colors on there, just to kind of give it more of a cool effect. So you just slightly touch it, and then it'll stick, and then you pick it up. So that's looking pretty cool. And then some purple. Now you could do this on regular polish as well. It doesn't have to be gel. I just did gel because I was playing with my lamp, and you know, I wanted to play with it a little more. Actually, what I'm thinking is I would like a little bit of green in there. So I'm going to cut a little piece of green and put some green in there as well. So yeah, if you want, you can do on regular polish as well. Works the same way, and then just use the nail glue as well. You don't have to use gel. I just did because I was playing with my lamp, and actually wanted to try it out and see how well it worked. So I actually really like this effect. It actually looks quite nice. I don't know if you can really see it all that well. Let's try. But it actually has the firework effect. So I think that looks quite pretty. So you could add a little bit more if you wanted, or a little less. It's up to you. I think all my spots on here are now covered, and I think it looks like a firework. So I think that's perfect. So you could, if you want, you could do a couple little dots down here, or just leave it as it is. So I think I'm going to leave it as is. I think that's a perfect little firework New Year's type nail. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see what else I can come up with this nail. I hope you're having a great day. Thank you for watching.